minutes into I'm on. 20 more 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 minutes into I'm on. Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dough. That's that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah, I hit it slow. Bye-bye the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might open my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. Changing my style cause I got every flow. Got every girl, ain't no top in my hose. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be a Lex and I keep her close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so clean, I might start moving so. Try the new Rari, I don't need to know. Try the Bugatti like it's a bubble. I had your girl and you already know. Don't really like her, we friends for the most. Cube in the truck, got all on my chip. Don't leave a crumb, got the bread in your toast. If you start touching my gun, got no host. I put a coat on the top of my coat. Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dough. That's that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Damn, I just started it. Man, I just started it. Damn, I got things when that bother me. Don't got enough just to order me. I'm on that tree like an ornament. Money so long like a cardigan. You lied to me, wasn't sorry then. On the weekend you was partying. It was you, me, it was targeting. It was you, me, it was targeting. Jump in the Porsche, I'm not targeting. Jump in the line, I ain't parking it. Ice is so cold, I snowboarding it. Go to my show, they applaud me in. She called my phone with emergency. She called my phone with that urgency. I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Niggas, you want me cause I got the dough. That's that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Yo, Elay. Hey, yo. Let me hear that, KF.
Gang, 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 feel me, nigga? Yeah, she wanna be known, I wanna be in my zone. She wanna be known, I wanna be in my zone. Glocks, I don't even keep my home, it's hot. I had to leave out the zone, I turned them like me, I made him a clone. Pot too high, switch up the time, moving too high, give her some meds. Baby, I can't be in my end, it's crazy, I had to watch my friend. Yeah, yeah. She wanna be known, I wanna be in my zone. She wanna be known, I wanna be in my zone. Yeah, I'm making this around my son. I feel like he's going on one. I'm having a hell of a month. I'm collecting checks a month. I knew I was the one in the bunch. Baby, I can't even take you to brunch.
Sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
Nah, I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular, that was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip, then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots, I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, babe, watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Hold up, headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it,
Drink.
Faded.
Drink. Okay. Now open your mind up and listen to me, Kendrick. I'm in your conscience. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're nauseous right now, and I'm hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick. If I take another one down, I'ma drown in some poison, abusing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes. I see the feeling of freedom is granted as soon as the damage of vodka arrives. This how you capitalize. This is parental advice. And apparently, I'm over influenced by what you are doing. I thought I was doing the most, and someone said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, man, watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Hold up.
Drink.
Headshot.
Drink.
Sit down.
Drink.
Stand up.
Drink.
Pass out.
Drink.
Wake up.
Drink.
Faded.
Drink.
Faded.
Drink.
I ride, you ride, bang. 1 chopper, 100 shots, bang. Hop out, do you, bang. 2 chopper, 200 shots, bang. I ride, you ride, bang. 1 chopper, 100 shots, bang. Hop out, do you, bang. 2 chopper, 200 shots, bang.
Nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, man, watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Hold up.
Drink.
Headshot.
Drink.
Sit down.
Drink.
Stand up.
Drink.
Pass out.
Drink.
Wake up.
Drink.
Faded.
Drink.
Faded.
Drink.
Bob, 21. With that 30 hanging out, nigga, that's hip hop. Fat car too fast, 12 can't stop me. Bitch too bad, hoes can't fuck me. 21. You was running from the smoke, nigga, not me. Oh God. Rich chigga, 21 Savage, nice, oh 21.
Wake up about at 6, think about money, think about this. I got nothing on my wrist, but I still gladly take your bitch. Ay, who produced that beat? Yeah, ay. Yeah, yes sirree, I did. Ay, she act like a bird. I wear shit made out of fur. Y'all might say he getting money, claiming he's entrepreneur. Fast car like Fast and Furious. She throw it back to DeLorean. I'm sitting in somebody's BMW, recording this. Not my whip, not my whip. Rather walk or take a lift. On a trip, I hit the strip, they made me sad and then I dip. Ay, Brian learning how to live it down. People around him going circles, head is spinning with no fidget. Used to play the drums, never liked to know. Never Brian didn't see the bigger picture. Rap on my own beat, so 100% go straight to my little pockets and I keep it. Yeah. Wake up out at 6, think about money, think about this. I got nothing on my wrist, but I still gladly take your bitch. Who produced that beat? Yeah. Yeah, yes sirree, I did. Got that ass on me, sound like I'm from New York City. Airbnb gon' fuck in it, she know that I do the music. Always cook at home, I'm tryna save her, tryna do my friends some favors. Gave her head, she facing backwards.
Try to gang cop. And you know we're gonna fall.
in a big blitz, yeah, had to go in it. I dropped the fucking pin, gon' pull up in a minute. Now I know the Lord mad at me. I ain't talking motherfucking Tesla Ranger, man. I come out that Ranger with motherfucking bangles. I let that cutter hit every angle. I come back to back whips like I'm Django. What the fuck the pussy boy ass saying? I don't know if he ain't speaking sign language. And I just left camera 10 pockets. Don't talk, nigga. No taping camera. Free homicide, it was just homicide. Yeah, in daytime. Seen bad robber, no real killer. Think he gon' take mine. I'm ballin' on the bitch ass niggas. And I pass a hole like a mad ride. You a little longer if you mind your business. Cause I'm a mind mine. And the trouble hey, woo!
Pull some of that bass out, Bruce.
Cause you send me a flick, I'ma send you a dick pic when I'm horny. If I kiss you on your lips, would you tell your sisters in the morning? Would you keep it a secret? I ain't felt this way before. Wanna tell you that I like you, but I don't cause I'm not sure. I just take her heart and score, then I love her till she's sore. I just break her heart and four, then I don't want her anymore. If I eat it, could I treat it? Could I beat it with my sword?
Beating on that monkey till I fall asleep. I'm fucking on you, you touching on me. She say I'm tall and deep. Put it in her soul, her eyes is wrong. That pussy keep calling me, and all I know is hitting.
What's the deal, chat? What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? All right. My apologies, but oh wait, hold on a second. Sorry, chat, because they're asking for gummy bears. So, yeah, something weird's going on with my YouTube where if I start my stream through YouTube, it doesn't show up for me for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I see that I'm live. But the tags are all there. But if I start it through my OBS, none of the tags are there. I got to put them in midstream. But I see the stream pop up right away in YouTube. Oh, and another thing, the stream fills up a lot quicker if I started through OBS. When I just now started through YouTube, it took like a good 10 minutes to get 100 people in here. When I started through OBS, it's like instant. Within like the first few seconds, there's over 100 people in here. Yeah. So, really strange. Did anybody get ads right now hopping onto the stream? I'm interested to know if anybody got ads. Yeah, so for some reason it's just a little different when I started through OBS than when I started through through YouTube. But regardless, none of that shit matters. We are all here now. Well, whoever's here. I think there's gonna be less viewers today because I started this stream through YouTube, not through OBS. Just for some reason, I see it, or I feel it. So we got a bullish 15 here. All right. Let's get into a breakdown. Let's look at gold. Gold moved massively today. We had news. It was a lot of fun. Some people won, some people lost. Most people were salty anyway. Regardless of what happened, you won money, it wasn't enough. You lost money, you're trying to get it back. You were wondering what the hell you're gonna do once you get evicted. How are you gonna make car payments? All that fun stuff, right? Alright, hold on 1 second, chat. Give them their own bag of gummy bears. Alright, daily. Bullish. Whoa, nice wick to fill. Closed above this most recent. We should fill this wick on a daily, right? Broke the previous weekly high. Very interesting. I'm very bullish. 4 hour closed bullish. Current 4 hour driving up. 1 hour closed bullish. Almost no top wick, but regardless, closed bullish. We're driving up. So, if we're gonna look for buys here, where can we look for buys? Okay. So, since we are bullish, we can look for buys above here. Right? It's the range here. The range here is roughly. Alright, we got a lot of room here. That's the same level on the hourly yet. So let's just get some closures above.
Stop all that capping. Ain't for his mata cabbage. He in a casket. Gang gon' whack him. He made a diss trying to get a reaction. Came with the catch him, crash him. Whole gang spinning for the back end. Want me to be disrespectful? Pull up to the funeral, spit in the coffin. Put some more shots in his mouth that they can't see his face. That's for all that talking. Headshot, he ain't gon' make it. His brains on the pavement. No witness, no statement. My killers ain't taking no payment. They said it's for free. Point them out. They don't give him. Gun a nigga down, drop a dick.
Can't go back that far.
Or we know run down, go skits. Let my Uda catch him lacking and they hopping out the whip. See all that hate through these Cardis. Call that fresh home for pardon. Casamigos don't sip no Bacardi. Rapping Brooklyn like Biggie and Harden. Grab that AR with the scope. Pull up with coach. Now he a ghost. Kill a op to make a toast. Hit a op trees while she driving the boat.
Very interesting how the ranges are formed here. See, but in relation to price action, sells probably below here. Overall, I'd consider this level right here a pretty minor level. I think we can break above this if we continue heading up. I know we rejected over here at 1813. That's 6, but I think in the grand scheme of things, especially on the hourly, look, it's not really even a level here on the hourly. I think we can come back and start retesting the highs here at some point. We corrected a lot of the move down though already in the last few hours. But if we do end up coming down, sells below would be here. Huh. Yeah, interesting. I think this is what it's gonna look like on gold, but we must get closures, and I need an hourly closure here. I mean, 30 works, right? We haven't had 30 as well, but with the 4-hour closing, the hourly, the 30, I just want an extra confirmation in here tonight, just based on this range where gold is in. I want the hourly and the 4-hour closure. Let's get to GJ. GJ. Daily bearish. Already filled the daily wick, huh? Rejection. Massive rejection here on the weekly. Daily bear. 4-hour broke the previous bullish candle. So yeah, we're gonna look for some sells here. Where can we look for some sells? Probably below here, yeah. Yeah, I like this level right here. So we close below here. We are gonna look for some sells. The 30 level look like. The 30 level is a bit lower, as you guys can see it, right? It's right here. It's a good level as well. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep it here. I like this level much better. Yeah. And the thing is, look, every time we closed, closed below here, look, we drove down. Closed below here, drove down. Right? Closed below, drove down. Closed below, drove down. Closed below. Well, came here, came back up, retested the high, still closed below. Eventually came down here. So on average, we tend to come down somewhere here, right, into these areas. So we can use this area, right, this level as somewhere we can target ourselves to. Okay, okay, okay. How about now, Reza? Is the stream fine? Check my tags. See if they're performing just as good as they were like last week or yesterday. If not, then I gotta go from the other. I gotta go from OBS instead of YouTube. Oh, they're working now. Most of them, yeah. Most of them say 3. See them. So yeah, I asked you guys earlier, and I didn't even look if you guys answered. Did anybody get ads hopping on here? Anybody? I'm not gonna scroll back up if you guys can answer. No, no ads. All right, awesome. I don't know why ads came up yesterday. Looks I couldn't see your stream until I came onto your channel. Like, this is strange. The algo's a bit different when you start from YouTube than when you start from OBS. Anyway, regardless, none of that shit matters now, right? We're all here. So, let's mark this up. We're gonna have some cells below here. We're gonna have some cells below here. All right, right. It's an echo? Oh, yeah, there is an echo. You're right. Hold on. It's minor, but there is. Here. Here. It should be gone right now. There is an echo. Sorry. Now it's gone. I just had my stream open on YouTube, on OBS, and on YouTube again, on YouTube Studio. It's just a whole bunch of nonsense. And then, all right. So, roughly this level, right? I think we're gonna look to come down here. Probably retest these levels. And where can we look for buys? It's above this area. So if we do end up coming back up, the only way we'll look for buys is the range 2 breakout, and that would be right here. Okay. So this is our analyses. Right? You can't say analysis as multiple. No. Analysis says. Buys above R2BO. Bada bing, bada boom. How big is this range here? Oh, there's room. There's 20 pips here. There's fucking 60 pips here. There's room. There's room to move. There's ranges. And then there's the golden barcode. Ah, the long lost golden barcode. 167699. Level is a range 2 buy on the 30-minute. 1676. None. Maybe the range 2. No, not for me. For me, it's range 1. Because I'm concentrating. Yeah, you can look at it on the 30 as a range 2 and a buy above there. But I'm looking at it on the higher time frames, and I'd really want to concentrate on the higher time frame closures here. Because you have a support right here, right? Support, resistance, range, very clear. Support, resistance, range, very clear. Everything in here, right? Everything else in here that we gotta look at, support, like it's too much play here. I have things that are very clear, right? So let's not make it more difficult than it needs to be. I know you guys would rather have a position sooner than later, but I'd rather have a winner than loser. Yeah. GJ and Gold switching roles this week. Huh? I don't really care. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there to watch it. Spy on it. 167743. Can the fake house be at 167743 right here? I mean, yeah, it's the same area. They can be, yeah, on the smaller time frame. Because you can technically make this a range, right? Right here, actually. Yeah. Make this a range. Okay. Range 1, range 2. But isn't it drives on the higher time frames, it drives through there. Right? Drove. So I don't want to make up a range in here when I clearly see it on the higher time frame, just driving with now no support, no resistance respected except where I have it, right? This is too questionable. Like, where is it? On the small time frame, yeah. But who wants to live life like that with questions, right? Who wants to live life just questionably? You want to be confident, right? You want to know what the fuck you're doing. You want to be comfortable in your trade. It's specifically here where you have to show the least amount of emotion and be be more comfortable than you have to be in other situations because you're dealing with money. You need to have a clear head and you need to make high quality decisions. Why the fuck would you play games here? Best part of life. I'm with you, chat. I'm with you. We will be good. We will be good. Siri Wildin with this autocorrect. Exactly why you play with your strategy. When you have one, just wait on setups. That's right. It's really just waiting. Get paid to wait. Okay? If you went to a job interview and they said, yo, it's tough. It's tough, right? You're going to want to press buttons, but you'll be paid if you wait. You'd be like, hell yeah! Shit, I call all my boys and be like, yo, they hiring. You should apply. Just like with trading. Yo, you got to check this shit out. You should apply. So yeah, that's what's up. Okay, thank you for joining us. Awesome. Awesome. Green's here, right? Green was first. Don't at me. We don't even have 100 likes yet. We're almost an hour into the stream, 40 minutes. Come on, chat. Let's step it up. Drop a like. Sub to the channel. Yeah, you see, we're at like 280. I figured we'd be at like 400 viewers here. Lurking. Case creeping on the stream. I see you. Lewix is giving you company tonight. I see. Now I'm trying to get him out of this room. I keep telling them that like Boogeyman's coming in here right now and I'm going to have a meeting with him. You know what they're doing on the other side of my office door? They're like tapping on it with their nail, like tick, tick, tick. So I hear them on the other side of the door. They're like, Dad, you know Santa? I'm like, hell yeah, I met him many times. Yeah, they want my attention. They're walking in every 2 seconds. It's all right. It's cute, yeah, but it's hard for me to like keep a good flow going here when they do that. So it's all right. We do what we can, right, with what we're dealt. Yeah, let's just see this gold close here. Let's see what's up. See what's up, gold.
She keep trying to text me, leave her messages on red, leave them on red. Fuck it off and end up with your best friend instead. Your best friend instead.
Yeah. Can I ask, how long do you take to dry your hair? Like the entire day. like no, like 3 to 4 hours. It'll dry. No joints in the office. I smoked a J already. I got one waiting outside. Shower daily? Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I took a shower a few hours ago and my hair was dry up until like half hour, like 35 minutes ago. I was still sitting. Every time I lean back, my entire shirt would be wet, soaking wet. I went through like 4 t-shirts in it since I took a shower. Yeah, I wash them every day. They smell like Head and Shoulders. Smell like your favorite pattern. You trade only Pokemon cards. Any Pokemon cards? I'm just kidding. Don't send me any Pokemon cards. Mind if you send me a join? Hell yeah, I'm mine. I'm not a dealer. I smoke, so what I have is gonna get smoked, whether you're here or not. But if you're here, lucky you. If you're around me when it gets smoked, then lucky you. Not good to wash your hair? Well, for some reason, I've been washing it. It's been growing. It's been pretty good. Strange. What was your first console as a kid? Yo, when I was growing up in Ukraine, my parents came to America and they brought back an Atari. And when they brought back that Atari to Ukraine, yo, like, not the entire neighbor, I think the whole city knew I had an Atari. Like, there were lines outside my door, just kids like, yo, can we come play? Yo. Our TV didn't even have you know what? I was the remote control. My pops would be like, yo, go change the channel. I'd be like, all right, I'm walk over to the TV and just turn the knob. We didn't even have remotes, but we had a fucking Atari. Fun fact. Alright. How did the 30 do here? 30 closed bare. Alright, I respect it. We got a closure here on the hourly chat at 9. Also, closure on the 4 hour above the most recent, right? We're gonna take these buys up. I think we're gonna fill this range up.
And it smells like incense in it. Dirty clothes on the floor, Polaroids on the door. Told her we should talk more, but I'm going on tour. Psych major, she a sophomore. Honda Accord on the parking deck, top floor. No, it's uncalled for. Got her on all fours. We was playing Uno. She said draw four. I said what you wearing draws for. Bad biddies, every city know that we got all sorts. My dogs ride for me, yeah they on board. Treat the 2-4 just like a longboard. Fire code at the show, they want to encore. They want an encore. She already chose why you tripping. She ain't that significant. Used to have a gimmick. Glad I never went big with it. Now I got the big wig spinning. I got Tito's on the rocks and some cranberry mixed in with it. She got a one bath, and it smells like incense in it.
Hey. Hold on.
What's going on, brother?
What's up, Keon? Hey,
What's
hold
up,
on,
bro?
hold on a sec. Throw you somewhere in here.
Yeah, we got a couple tonight. We got Rez's back. Good to see, good to see. Up for the plane back again. Like the stream, chat. Let's start well like we did last night.
So, if anyone left runners last night, we hit BE shortly after stream, but we did close 75%, right? So, two straight days with winners, right? And New York session's been hitting. Anybody take dubs today in the New York session? Anybody? Crickets. Oh man, only after tonight, chat, 2 more days of Asian session and we're done for the year, right? And that's Q4. We were here every single day for Q4.
W.
Yeah, W for consistency. I didn't expect it. I didn't think I was gonna make it to every single session, but we've made it. Oh, I missed one session. I'm sorry, I missed one session. That was my daughter's birthday. I missed everything else was either a bank holiday or we streamed, or it was a weekend. But I did miss every single Friday. W, big W's. Yeah, so we're gonna look to keep up the consistency next year. I'm gonna try to actually make it 1 year with no missing streams. So next year should be fire. Thank you, chat, for coming through, supporting your boy. We got the last 15 of the 4 hour here. We've gone nowhere this 4 hour. Look at this. Came up, came down, came up, just kind of closing over here. Might just close like this.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Last night.
Look at that. If you were impulsive here on the break of the highs, every time it broke the highs, right? Because at some point, every single one of these candles looked like this, right? Oh, wait. It looked like like this over here at some point. And then this one was driving up, and at some point it looked like this. And then somebody took a position there. And then at some point, this one was driving up. Right, broke this high, and there's people taking position, then it just drives straight down. Never had any closures here. So, you know, Tough. That's why we wait for closures. Closing. That's why we wait for closings. Wheeling Sound. That is Central C.
Yeah.
He's just.
It's not.
It's just his burner.
Yeah, bro. Got bored, innit?
So, Wix
Start
is
trading.
Don not on tonight? No, Don doesn't stream Asian. I stream Asian. He streams New York. Sometimes he hops on once in a while, but Don is playing hockey right now. I told him to live stream it, and we'll watch it here. We could have had it on the side of the screen here, but he said he's too nasty at a lot of the moves that he does. It's proprietary type shit. Maybe in a commercial one day, but he can't show off some of the moves.
Yeah, so nasty. The stream will get taken down again, chat. You don't want that.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
He says he don't even wear skates now. It's just he says some next level shit. He just floats over the ice.
Just glides.
Central Key. Ay, 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 ay. Don spreads barefoot on ice. What up, Jonathan? What's the deal? Can we get some closures?
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
You know the daily would flip bullish at this level. Very interesting.
Yeah, we didn't break lows either, so it's sort of just hovering right now.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just Josh.
Yo, let's see if you can kick it for them. Yeah. Check out Sealan's new. Sorry, check out Keon's new track. It's Keon's new track.
Yeah, go run that up.
Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day. Somebody told Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in that. In my great tracksuit, see the bulge in that. See the motion clap when you're throwing it back. These females planning on doing me wrong, so I'm grabbing a dome at the Trojan pack. Post a location after we're gone, can't slip and let them know where we're at. I don't know about you, but I value my life. Cause imagine I die, and I ain't made 100 M's yet. There's so much things I ain't done yet. Like fucking a flight attendant.
They can't hear you. Now they can.
Alright. I didn't say anything important, chat. We're here to trade.
Floating and I won't go under. Been out of town for a month. Absence made the love grow fonder. UK rapper, UK drill, gotta mention my name if you talk about the genre. Alright. How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in a top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day. How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in a top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
If we can close bear here, I would look for some sells to come back down again. Be interesting.
Pusher, you crazy.
We broke the previous hourly high though, right? It's looking, if we can see this as a level here. Oh wait, hold on. Too high pitched for me, you know. But if we can picture this level. So if we can picture a level here, right? Or mark off a level here, right? Just mark off a level across here. If we get this candle closing back below range here, we can consider this a fake out if it closes like this. And then every time it closes below, it reaches this level. And then we close below here again, and it reaches this level, 167, 140. So I will expect it to come back down to 167, 140 once again. Whether it'll break it or respect it, that doesn't matter. What matters is that we reach it. So if this bearish candle happens here, we'll take sells. If not, we'll wait for this same play to happen up over here. On the higher time frame, maybe on the hourly.
Pusher, you crazy.
Huh? She whispering all in my ear. I'm thinking about what I should wear. Any appearance, I'm pulling up fly, even if it's no cameras there. I don't own a Benz, I swear. Ferraris and Lambs, I swear. My life is a movie, my wrist is a chandelier. Started getting my bands up in the mansions, living like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Do not come over here looking for love anymore, cause that shit don't belong in here. You told me go to hell cause I was driving you crazy. Bitch, I would drive you there. Why would I need a stylist to pick out an outfit for me? I got mad, yeah. Stacking up money like Jingo and Legos. I sing what I came with a
We got 5 minutes, 6 minutes left here. Closure is going to be key. Really want to close above here. Really want to close above here. So we could start thinking about retesting the highs. We close bearish here, respecting this level. That's going to be the session for gold here then. Yeah, this is a strong 4-hour level. This 4-hour must close above 1811.51. It's going to be based strictly off the 4-hour/1 hour, the higher time frames. We must close above here. If we don't close above there, it's going to be chalked for the evening. Well, it's going to be chalked for the evening.
He was wearing a hoodie. I look at my shirt and that's not what I'm wearing. It's scary. Got a beach full of sand. I drive in the city like Fast and the Furious with a tank in the earth. It's already went up and it's 30, I swear. If I see you out, then I put that on butter. I'm airing. Used to wear Michael Kors. Now I got porcelain floors. She told me it's yours. It's just me and your baby girl. She was rocking my world. VVS's and pearls. Eat me up till she Earl. Started getting my bands up in the mansions, living like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Do not come over here looking for love anymore, cause that shit don't belong in here. You told me go to hell cause I was driving you crazy. Bitch, should wear. Any appearance, I'm pulling a fly, even if it's no cameras there. I don't own a Benz, I swear. Ferraris and lambs, I swear. My life is a movie, my wrist is a chandelier. Started getting my bands up in the mansion, feeling like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Please, I'm not knocking my door, looking for love.
See, this is how I know a lot of you guys here are just for signals. There is no questions being asked. No one's discussing charts. No one's talking about levels. No one's arguing about... Actually, no, I'm not even going to say it. It's going to start a whole bunch of shit in the chat.
But you should be discussing ideas. You should be bouncing stuff out off of each other. Wix is absolutely right. You know, you want to come here to learn, I can tell you. I was in your shoes once. I came to this stream. Luckily, when Don didn't have many people there, and I can tell you right now, the number one thing that made me learn, made me grow, was asking these guys questions. You know, Wix only has however many viewers right now. Take advantage of that. I can promise you, just look at the rate of growth on this channel. I can promise you, in the next however many months, you will not have an opportunity like this to ask a question so easily. It doesn't actually have to be to Wix, but you should be coming here and bouncing ideas off of each other, learning off of each other, trying to grow. So Wix is absolutely right.
It's like a backhanded compliment. It was like, yeah, like look, whatever viewers he's got right now, like this is trash, yo. Whatever it is right now, this shit is nothing,
You know
yo.
I'm trying
This
to
shit
say.
right here, this shit here, it's nothing. It's nothing.
It
This
is
shit
nothing
here,
compared to the value we're giving. You know, it should be level with.
shit right here. Yeah, chat. He's on payroll.
I'm on payroll. I'm paid to say this, chat. I'm a paid actor.
I don't give a shit. It works. Paid actor. With first stream, we are fucking... Yo, look. We are breaking barriers right now. We're the first stream to have a paid actor.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's our USP.
Right?
Unique selling point.
You want to talk about innovation? This is innovation.
Innovation.
Paid actor stream.
I get paid in DVS tokens. I'm holding for the long run.
All right, chat. 2 minutes. Doesn't look like gold's closing above here. Gold, honestly, gold looks like ass and feet right now.
Yeah.
Who's ass and feet? I don't know. Some people will be like, interesting. I like that. Like, No. No, chat. What do you think of fib levels to add confirmation? What do you think of removing fib levels to get rid of confusion?
Yeah.
I heard Wix wants to talk about funded accounts.
Oh yeah, he
And
loves that, chat. Keep asking.
that was
He
the end of
loves
that
fun.
conversation. It was a long, cool story, bro.
Yeah. That's the real rabbit hole right there. That's the real rabbit hole. You see, they finally got the FTX guy in the Bahamas, arrested him.
They finally got him. They knew where he was at. It's just they
Yeah.
were like, you know what? Hold
They
on,
finally
he's on
got
vacation.
little hands around him.
Let's wait till it's fucking noon and he has a pina colada in his hand while he's laying down on an umbrella, under an umbrella, with a fucking drink that has its own fucking umbrella. And that's how they got him. Just when you think your fat ass is safe, nope.
Gave him a little bit of hope. Ripped
I
it
bet
straight
you. I
away.
bet you. They could have grabbed him on his way to the hotel, but they were like, nah, let him change into the fucking, let him change into his fucking swimming shorts. Let him change into bathing suit.
Yeah.
Let's wait. You know what? Let's wait till he's on the sand with no slippers. And then we get him. And then we fucking tackle him.
Yeah.
My ass would have been like, all right, 10-4.
Yeah. Them Bahama jail cells do not look appeasing.
Here's the thing, chat. Did he take off with any of your money? Is anybody here that lost money directly because of SBF?
Yes. It's Vince. Well, my prayers are with you, sir.
Oh, he took that billion? Hold on, am I missing my billion? Let me check. Nope, it wasn't mine. That wasn't my billion.
Took Tom Brady's billion. Actually, I don't think it was a billion. I think it was like 500 million, but that's a lot of money. Oh. $2022 bad year for Brady. Yeah, he lost 500 million and his wife in the same week. Something a pretty bad week for Tom Brady.
You only paid 500 million to get rid of her?
It's a steal. It's a steal.
Chat, I'm not gonna lie. This looks terrible for the evening.
Yeah.
It's looking terrible at the moment. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do here? I need SBF to fucking figure out some fraud in this range because we can't do shit here. We need his ass to fucking
dump a billion real quick. Just
hey, hide it here.
Yeah.
Hide that here.
It's literally just filling the range, going up, fill the range, go down, fill the range, go up, fill the range. Now it's going to come down and fill the range. Oh.
Up by 4 to 5 pips. Do you think that will have any impact? Yeah, it might. It depends on what you're seeing. Why are you drawing it there? Well, I don't know what you're trying to repeat in the market that you're drawing your levels. I'm drawing my levels based on what I'm trying to repeat in the market, based on what's happened before.
Hey, which your stream got Nightbot now? You got Nightbot number 2 over here.
Yeah. All in the house, everybody. Hey, yo, hey, Paulie, hey, take it easy.
I'm walking here.
Hey. Looks how tall are you? When I stand on my money, or when I stand on my feet? Which one?
Blunts or papers?
Papers.
Yeah.
You asked me 10 years ago, I say blunts. Asked me today, I say papers.
Yeah. Times are tougher back then, though.
I mean, no, it's just, trust me. Trust me, as you get older, and that's not to say I got old, but as you grow, you realize that you don't need to be smoking all of that fucking bamboo or all of that thick ass leaf. You can just smoke a thin ass bamboo. Even better, you can just fucking hit a clean ass bong. And
Yep.
Come to conclusion, checks keep coming concurrent. Shooters on the maneuver, really as a deterrent. MA singing melodic.
you said, wait, what?
Wait, what?
4-hour closures, chat. We're ass. Look at this. We closed the doors. This candle didn't happen here.
What do you want me to do?
It's 4-hour respected. It closed bare, right? So. Need a bearish closure below here.
It's an ugly
This
2-hour
30,
close.
this 30 can break the previous 30 low and close bare below it. At 9:30, we can have some sells coming down.
Star in my head. You, I need to raise war in my friends.
Oh, there goes some volume.
True, you're so bad when I need to pretend, but I don't want war with you or my friend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend.
Might be waking up a little bit. Rejected so many times here before. We just need that closing chat, so more waiting.
I got money in my pocket, I'm loyal. Pain goes away when I'm tipsy. Pain goes away when you're with me. Even when your shadow's a little risky, it's all under control. You're a star in my head. Is it true? You not need for raise war with my friends, no, no. True, you're so bad, we don't need to pretend, but I don't want war with you or my friends. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. Because true, when we can party again, you'll see you're my best friend.
Look at that, rejected perfectly off that level.
I got money on me, I'm loyal. I got money in my pocket, I'm loyal. Pain goes away when I'm tipsy. Pain goes away when you're with me. Even when your shadow's a little risky, it's all under control. Just don't let this go. We spent the last 3 summers on the road.
Going back down here.
Please don't let this go. We spent the last 3 summers on the road. Hey, slip, slide, trying to provide for me. For me. For me.
Huge void on gold. H. Fill. Only sells for now, I see. It's Yoda speak. That is Yoda speak. Only sells for now, I see. Damn, Green. You're gonna be writing my autobiography. And when you do, that's how it's gonna start. Your lung hasn't recovered. You have one collapsed lung, so you can't smoke. Is that what it is?
But God gave you two. There we go. That's our first question in a while.
Typically risk 1% per trade. Do you consider risk percent per trade based on A plus setup clean traffic or B plus setup there's small minors if the A? So wait, like, do I increase my risk? No. I mean, the probability of my plays is the probability of my plays, right? My entries. And yes, some positions have better probability, or I guess 10. Every trade has its own nuances. So some trades will have more likelihood to run. Some trades just have bigger ranges. Some trades have volume on its side. It's just it really depends. But I try not. I don't fuck around with my risk. No, I typically keep it. I keep my lots steady throughout the year. But I know my stops change, so my stops, based on the lots that I trade, are always anywhere between 1 to 5%. Somewhere between there. I've maybe had like 3 or 4 trades the entire year where I risked more than 5%. Guys, if OFMC is 50 base point hike, that will mean gold will collapse because that's what's predicted. Anyone know? You'll see it. And then you'll react to it. If you want to play the game of predicting, you'd be gambling. You'd be gambling with no stats. When will my trading become break even? I realize I have a lot of small wins, but one loss take everything out. Yes. That is one small step on your way to consistency and profitability. The level that you're going through right now. Figure out how to keep that loss small, how to get rid of that loss in your trading altogether. And don't exclude the possibility that it could be timing, that it could be your emotions, your impulses, not just the fact that you're doing something wrong in trading. You might be doing everything right, but also you might be getting something wrong, some concept wrong, and it's, you know, one small concept, one small detail can mean a huge difference in the result of a trade.
Yep.
Collapsed lung, fractured ribs, hurts to even move, never mind coughing. Oh man, if I was next to you, I'm the type of friend that'd be tickling you right now. I'd be like, yeah? This hurts? Make him giggle his motherfucking ass off. Still get GJ even though it's 1 hour closure. Yeah, it's a bullish 1 hour closure. This is good. This is good. This is good if it drives. Yeah, it's a bullish 1 hour closure, but it's also a clear fake out. And if we can see the higher time, see the 4 hours bearish, if we can see the 4 hour filling this wick here, if we can anticipate it filling this wick, the only way to anticipate that fill is with the 30 breaking the previous 30. Now if it closes below here, we can think this is even better to close below at. Right here. Yeah, if we can close below here, we have some room. Right, 20 pips here to fill this range. And then if the 4-hour decides to break that previous wick, and the daily breaks the previous daily candle that closed back in range, extremely bear, I think we're going to run all the way down to right here, 166 flat. And I wouldn't mind that anticipation here to 166 flat with all the higher time frames in our direction at the expense of 15 pips. Right? Maybe 25 pips. So if it's 25, manage risk. You enter a smaller position, but build your confidence into entering your positions. Right? That would be my position. And when it wins, you can have more confidence entering it full risk next time.
See it, chat. You just being here is building that confidence, so just stick at it. Keep at it. You're in the Forex gym tonight.
Nice fake out here on the 15, yeah. I wouldn't enter it. I can't trade it. Oh, and it closed no bottom wick. I can't trade Asian based strictly on the 15. Although you can trade gold off the 5. Yeah, it's very interesting, but I'm not going to get into it because it's going to open a whole wormhole of things you guys don't need right now. Just take it even if it had no top wick on GJ30. What does that mean? GJ30. Yeah, if we close below here on the 30, I'll take it. I'll look to take sells. We're gonna look to emulate what happened before, okay? And always look what happened before. Close below, drop down. Over here, we didn't even get a closure. Just filled this whole range. Close below, respected, drop down. Okay. Once it touches this level, then we can look for a rejection. Over here, never got a closure, but it still drove through this whole range. This indicates to me that this range is just clean to drive through. Let's just get a closure below here so we can fill it.
Best tips for not over trading: close your laptop. Done.
Or don't pay your fucking light bill. Yeah. Your cable company, whoever does your Wi-Fi.
You've got to understand, chat. The only person, these questions, best tips for over trading. The only person or the only thing that's going to stop you over trading is you. You know, your emotions are normally going to be your only pitfall. I seen a question earlier in the chat. What was the hardest thing you learned about trading? The hardest thing I learned about trading was that you're at the mercy of the market, and the market doesn't owe you nothing. And I like what Wick said earlier with the timing. Sometimes your timing just isn't right. The market is one big wave, and you simply have to ride it. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Try and take lessons from every loss, but truly, you just need to get a grip of them emotions. As soon as you get a grip on them emotions and can see clearer, you'll start executing clearer.
What headset am I using? It's Astro A50.
You can only unlock it with 1,000 trading hours. You can't buy that headset unless you've got the.
I just lost
the
GJ
XP.
last night because of the same scenario for buys. Why? We took a W, and then we managed risk, right? I closed 10 pips flat, 9-8. But learn how to use advantage points.
Yep.
Or key levels to your advantage. Any problem traders, anything you struggle with? I don't look at it in those terms. I just don't have a hard time doing this, you know. I always find some new nuances throughout the year. Not always, but like maybe once, twice a year, there's some new nuances that click in your head just because of all the time you spend staring at charts. You're like, oh, this would work too, and then you test it out, but like a hard time, difficulty. No, I mean, there's no. I don't have any questions here. I mean, like, I don't have any questions where I could be like, hey, can you answer this for me? In terms of what I'm doing. It's not to say that there's, you know, that we don't all go through struggles in trading or through, like, you know, through days or weeks where we don't take wins, or, you know, we all take losses. But I wouldn't call it a struggle. No, a struggle is when you don't know how to react to it. I know exactly how to react to it. You just pussy bop. Range. 8 minutes here. 8 minutes, chat. Gold has really done fuck all.
Yeah, this reminded me of last night.
Is the optimal time to trade the Asian session? Right now.
I ain't even gonna lie, man. I've been on lately. For real.
Yo, Nick, pass, make it
I walk with a spot. I got what it takes to get to the top. The money I make, cannot compete. They know that I'm getting a lot. She give me this phone. Give me that. It kinda that I'm getting a lot. I know she a thought to give her a shot. I put back to the twist of my side. You know that I'm hot. Yeah.
Okay, DJ.
Crazy, we ain't need kiss. I put some shit on her wrist. It was amazing. Walking the Lord's magic. Flick of the wrist. Parking the chop right next to the drive. You can't even picture shit. I gotta take it, flick of this shit. Let's go. I know my head to be sick of this shit. I put it. Wake in the morning, I look in the mirror. It's crazy. I'm really this rich. Crazy. Feeding my children and making my million. I'm really as real as it get.
Really is rich. Like the stream, chat. Let's get to 200 likes. Let's get to 400 viewers. In order to get more viewers, we gotta like the stream. We gotta sub to the channel. Turn on the notifications. Right? This way you don't miss us. You know when we're on. Look like it's just gonna fill this range, huh? Well, if it does that, let's hope it pulls back, because we want a bottom wick here, right? So a closure below, it's not just about a closure here. This is good that it's driving here. It's clearing out these orders. Now we just wanted to pull up. We got 5 minutes. That's a lot of time. In the next 5 minutes, it could flip bullish for all we know. It shouldn't, but overall, we get a bearish closure here. We want this bottom wick here. Steeper the better. So we could use this wick to our advantage point. To our advantage. To our advantage point.
Tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, that she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot.
Wick sells and gold should be below 1807, range 2 breakout. 1807, right here. Oh, if we get there by London session, maybe you can take sells below there. But I'm here for this session, and in this session, I got range 1. Honestly, the way I even look at it right now is this whole shit is a range 1. I just put a level here because this is realistic for the session, but I look at this whole shit from 1822 down to 1811 as a range 1. Okay. I also see that below this level, we can come down to this area. Right, and when we closed below here on the hourly previously, I like to do what, I like to look back in time. I got this stupid fucking thing I do. It's called thinking and analyzing, and it's completely ignorant of me, but I just do it. I'm used to it. And like this candle right here, see how it closed below right here? So I'm going to look for this candle to close below here as well, because the next candle, after making a top wick to somewhere here, fill this range. So close below here, top wick, fill the range. And because we're filling the daily and the 4 hour, in this case, if we break below there, I would expect us to correct this whole fucking clean range right here. This one big ass candle. But at the moment, we can't do shit because we're stuck in this range, printing barcodes.
Whee! What is it with you guys and funding tonight, bro? What could that? What?
You're like, well, fuck it. If I can't take a trade and fund my account, maybe I should just go buy a trade. I need to buy an account. Fuck growing this shit. Got a minute and a half here. See how we can close here. Let's see if we can close here.
Alright, if it closes respecting, I'm done. I'm done.
I mean, yeah, it's going to be pretty much the session right there.
Yeah.
300 people. Yeah, what do we peak at? Like 350? Sorry, guys. I mean, I can't control the damn charts, right? I don't decide when trades happen. But overall, you guys should know this is a slower session in terms of it being, Asian session, and then it's also Q4, and we're like right at Christmas time. It's a week before Christmas, so yeah, I mean,
yeah.
Plus, we got some major news today, right? So,
the guy in the FOREX experience chat should be doing this. Wix is right. We're coming to Q4 now. It should be slowing down. So, just be thankful you're not that guy who's jumped in impulsively. You've stuck to your plan. It's a win. Why does December mess up the markets? It doesn't mess up the markets. It's lower volatility times, so price action can't really come into effect when there's little volume to carry it out. So
generally,
I mean, last Q4 wasn't too bad.
It's holiday time.
Yeah.
Just bankers, traders overall people are taking profits, right? People are taking money out of the market and people are going to fuck shopping.
Yeah. It's a universal sign, chat, to chill out. It's a universal sign to enjoy time with your family. Go enjoy the snow. Go enjoy Christmas time. Just take that break. You'll thank yourself, trust me. I heard Wick say something last year, actually. It might have been last year. I'm pretty sure it was last year. But normally, when you're learning or you're addicted, or it could be anything, but once you take a step back from something, and then you come back after a couple of weeks, you're going to want it more. And that doesn't mean jump in and be impulsive when you get back, but it will definitely give you that motivation, I guess, if you need it, to it'll give you that little boost. Getting back into the markets.
Yeah, clearing your head. It's good sometimes. Go touch grass for a week. Right? Touch grass. Become one with the universe. Snowing crazy here in Scotland. The only place snowing next to me is in Miami. And it's a different kind of snow. Downtown. Go touch some ass. No. I said go touch some grass. Or whatever. You want to go touch some ass? Go touch some ass. Make sure it's legal. Go touch some ass. Smoke some grass. These guys. Who the fuck started this glizzy shit? Drink some glizzy water. Paul done came over here and everyone's touching meat. Paul brings out all the meat.
First it was Paul's meat, now it's Glizzy's. What's going on with you guys, chat? You don't get a trade for a bit and you just go ballistic.
That's crazy.
Glizzy water.
Any trades yet? How about no? Sorry, Jax. You've missed nothing. Our apologies. We really wanted all the late ones to come in here and really have FOMO and miss out on everything we did. But we fucked up. So we came here and the market is printing a barcode. If anybody here works at a register, you can probably scan this shit right here. We can probably scan this barcode. This will come up as something. It's like, this is like milk or something. Scan this. This shit will work right now. Look at this barcode right here. Where the fuck are we going? Beep beep. Beep. Scan this. This is definitely meat. Some kind of meat. Pepperoni. That's Paulie's. It's Paulie's nickname. Paulie Pepperoni. Yeah, that's like a real mobster name. Hey, get Paulie Pepperoni in here.
If I trade CAD JPY, which country news I have to focus more, you're going to have to focus on both the Japanese and the Canadian news, even though the Japanese like to keep their currency fairly fairly level as a safe haven, but you're still gonna have to pay attention to both CAD and JPY news. Can't just ignore it, right? You know.
It depends on which session's open, yeah. Also, like.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be getting fucking JPY news during the NY session.
Yeah.
Sorry, Wix, I'm late. Had to take care of the young grasshopper. Don't apologize to me. Go apologize to the young grasshopper that you're over here with me instead of him. We'll be like, look, grasshopper, I'm sorry. But Wix is on, so I'm gonna need you to go find another house. I need you to move out. Wix is on. He's sleeping? Beautiful. Wow. Hey, Top G in the chat. W.
Top G.
It's mad funny. I was watching the video. Did you guys see this video where he's doing the nunchucks on the yacht?
Yeah, with the music.
And then the guy below him is fucking videotaping him. Just some random dude. And he plays the music and he's fucking doing the nunchuck. He's like, yo, where the fuck is this music coming from? Why is the music playing? There's a guy below him on like a small little raft. Fucking videotape playing music. It's mad funny. He just turned on the camera. All of a sudden music starts playing. It's like, why?
Yeah, that was nice. Hate those.
I mean, 937 chat. We're coming back up in range here. If gold closes below or above here on the hourly, we might look for something. But outside of that, this is just chalked. This is I need to put a level here.
It's not nice. Still gonna need that bearish close, and it's just.
Oh, this is a much better level. Yeah, chat. I don't know. We're probably not gonna have any trades for the session. Yeah, I might just call it a stream here. Call it a stream. Wordle. In the morning. Chat.
Yeah.
Join us tomorrow. We're gonna continue Asian session. Hopefully we'll be out of this fucking range by morning or by London, so there's some volume. But there's a lot of room. Like there's a lot of space here, right? Whether we're bullish or bearish, there's nothing but clean range above and below. So let's just break out of here. Wait for it to break out. All right. Outside of that, don't try to be a hero and you see it driving and hop into a position, and all next thing you know, it closes back in range. Just let it close. Let it close first. Let it drive first if you need, and then take a retest. Something. Let it get out of that range before you decide to trade it. But the levels I have drawn up here are valid, okay? And they'll still be valid for London as long as we stay within these ranges. Get rid of this. It's very minor in relation to the higher time frames here. Actually, it doesn't even exist on the higher time frames, this level. It existed back here, but since then we've driven through it, and then we drove through it again, and then driven through it third time, and then drove right through it the fourth time. So I wouldn't be too concerned about that level. Really want to play these levels. Yeah, tomorrow 8 p.m. Eastern, live Asian session continues. Be there. All right, we've been killing it all year. Tomorrow is the second to last stream of the year for Asian session, and then we'll be back in January. Yeah, January. We'll be back January 9th. Also, tomorrow morning, as you guys know, I'll be on with Don Vo, 6:30 a.m. Eastern, New York session live stream here on YouTube, and that's it. I believe we've ranged the entire session. If you guys are just hopping on, that's the session. I know you guys want the vibes and you want to chill here and you want to get the runners, but we have to do what the market says. We can't tell the market what to do. You already know. That's it. Thank you, mods. Thank you, everybody, coming through. Kay, as always, awesome having you here. Green, I know you were first. You're gonna be last. Jex, don't be late again. And if you're late, just sneak in the back of the class. Sit down. Don't tell everybody. Otherwise, everyone's gonna be like, yeah, she's always late. She always late.
Like the stream though, chat. It deserves it. Think about all of the W's, the knowledge that Wix has dropped this Q4. It deserves it, chat. So just like the stream before you go.
Paid actor stream. Paid actor. Like I said, we're innovating. First stream with paid actors. We are first Forex stream out there with paid actors. Innovation in your face.
Hey.
Alright. Yo, Keelan, I appreciate you for coming through. Thank you for
no problem, brother.
helping me carry the shit. Carry the weight. And just like that, we are out.
Yo, she's sick of this life. I choose that gun case could have been live or news. Spent 5 for bang for them youths in the 9. I'm moving like Vladimir Bruce.
Love and wisdom, y'all.
Just one man, fuck that, grip it and shoot. I could have called gang, but I refused. Cause 10 man gliding, so we just loose. Even though I'm up in shit change. Man will like you up, no skin fade. Wait for this guy to zoom me. But you know the back was insane. It's funny how things change. Dad said I wouldn't be shit. Now she want come in my whip. So the rollie, now she's on my dick. Spent 10 this week, but I want more. West End's too late on the shop floor. So France every time I go Louis. Got the whole shop like bonjour. Told babes no time for your contour. Probably had fence at the front door. But now I had money in offshore. Got the tax man all onshore. Man came up with waps, no shankings. Quick hand things, hold man for ransom. My lifestyle was a man thing, sighting. Beef man set, no chat, just banging. Talk, no action, tryna fly straight, I'm glad that's happening. Man, on me, no talk, I'm crashing. Car grand, out with passion.
Hey, 200 likes, beautiful. Let's get it, let's get it.
You were just out with a chick. All my life, I had to hustle and slip. My teacher told me I wouldn't be shit. We were there when I couldn't get kicks. Now the streets with me, man, I make a man dip. I was making man dips in a fatty round fast. My brother get stick, they will grip it and blast. Then dip it and stick it in just to live up. Now we rip it and squeeze it and flip it in park. Every time they put me in bars, punch man for the enhance. Mama told me listen in class, but in the streets I'm Michelin star. Like fiddling, hitting him, making man dance. I was fidgeting, sticking him till I hit chart. Was it ever gonna stop when I'm glad I got charged? 1 million, tryna live large. Every day, but days can't blame me. Every day when I slap one, wait. All this talk but your chat don't faze me. All you do is act like Patrick Swayze. Every day when I was out on the lick. Every day when I had the old ass in the whip. Every day no plan on the sick, gotta face it. You were just out with a chick. All my life I had to hustle and slip. My teacher told me I wouldn't be shit. Every day when I couldn't get kicks. Now the streets with me, man, I make a man dip. Every day when I was out on the lick. Every day when I had the old ass in the whip. Every day no plan on the sick, gotta face it. You were just out with a chick. All my life I had to hustle and slip. And my teacher told me I wouldn't be shit. Every day when I couldn't get kicks. Now the streets with me, man, I make a man dip.
No, every day we live a life, up and down, shit, going through shit, going through changes, and, you know what I'm saying? Real life shit, you know?
Shut the fuck up. Man, shut up.
I just left the hospital, might need another liver. Kidney failures, I tell you, this shit couldn't be no realer. My body enjoys 2 per million, so it's hard to clear my system. This shit get hard on a nigga, I hardly show my feelings. Look up to see stars, but I'm realizing God in the ceiling. I've been getting high and consistent, but you trying to show me different. Judging me for trying to whip it, I'm tired of the critics. But I can't cap, I ain't feel it, but this time might have did it. The dog didn't care who the rich is, I need to be admitted. Wanna know why the reason or why I have my reasons. Reason why they ain't tell me it was pneumonia season. These police won't ever save her, that's why I run with heathens. God say you want me to say it, you gotta take it easy. I'm tryna stack it like layers and keep it extra cheesy. I had step back from these rappers, these niggas they get greedy. I'm gon' say no, or you don't care if you really need it. Same thing gotta show you no hoe, ain't talking about no bobbing weed. Niggas not got love for P.O. and Devo, must I repeat it. Niggas not got love for P.O. and Devo, must I repeat it. Wake up, hit your spit up close and let's go, then I repeat it. Take a look at my bros and I know we gotta eat. You a rock solid soldier, I hope you'll never leave me. Cooling out in your colon, you got that shit and squeeze. Fucked up, can't control it, you said it rolling weed. Everyone say they told you and you ain't taking heed.
right, just bitch on me up.
Started off last week, it was all good. Watching Russell, LeBron James on the hardwood. Shawty told me to fuck her face, so it's all good. Bitch, it ain't no way I done win Hollywood. My hoes all good, I fuck them all good. My credit all good, bitch, I'm always good. My pockets all good, my mama still straight. A bakery chef, how I been flipping all this cake. Got a flock of famous hoes, took them to Barbados. Purple drink, sipping bitch, while you on that K-roll. We ain't at no playground, I'ma show you how I play though. Bitch say I'm playing mind games with her, she call me Play-Doh. I want a motherfucking Janet Jackson. I'm sitting in front of TV thinking I need an actress. Your wheel costs more than your friend though. All I do is point at the hoe and she come closer. Body like a 2-liter, ass fat as hell, nigga. Got a smart bitch at department, about to graduate from Yale. A high maintenance nigga, bitch, a compliment my nails. You know it ain't no going against the grain, I'ma prevail. This coupe talk the spoiler looking like a damn tail. Only 500 whips like this demon out of hell. We outside, you been inside, nigga, we can tell. My crib double gated, say that shit for all my haters. Started off last week, it was all good. Watching Russell, LeBron James on the hardwood. Shawty told me to fuck her face, so it's all good. Bitch, it ain't no way I done win Hollywood. My hoes all good, I fuck them all good. My credit all good, bitch, I'm always good. My pockets all good, my mama still straight. A bakery chef, how I been flipping all this cake.
My racks all good, my bitch all good. My wrists all good, my hood all good. Sent the court, side higher than the moon. Rich nigga, fuck your bitch like a goon. Rolls Royce, ghost floating, tycoon. Pink diamonds, solitaires, cost me a stack of blues. Posted up with the robber, serving dog food. Smoke them up, roll the op up, knock them out of shoes. Standing in the trenches with my jury. I put all my killers on security. My shooters, they evil. Send quest out with a heater. How the fuck I'ma ever go Hollywood? I spit out my stripper with a pop star. In a vehicle too fast to stop for a cop. I got pink diamonds on me. It was dirty Sprite, bad bitch. Rockin' Louis, she look off-white.
Started off last week, it was all good. Watching Russell, LeBron James on the hardwood. Shawty told me to fuck her face, so it's all good. Bitch, it ain't no way I done win Hollywood. My hoes all good, I fuck them all good. My credit all good, bitch, I'm always good. My pockets all good, my mama still straight. A bakery chef, how I been flipping all this cake.
My hoes all good, I fuck them all good. My credit all good, bitch, I'm always good. My pockets all good, my mama still straight. A bakery chef, how I been flipping all this cake, all this cake, all this cake, all this cake, all